How to listen to YouTube with screen off. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search youtube.com. Then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And make sure desktop site is turned on. Make sure there's tick mark in desktop site. After you have done that, simply open any video. After you've opened any video, simply go back. Go back from the Chrome. Then scroll down your notification bar from the top. And then again, play the video and you will be able to listen to YouTube with your screen off. This is how to listen to YouTube with screen off. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.